Okay, now that I've imported and extended the movie clip class, I'm ready to start writing code, but I'd like to just illustrate a pretty basic approach to programming that I'd recommend that you follow. And that is to get in the habit of testing your code several times along the way as you write it. Basically, whenever I add something new, I want to test it to make sure that it's working at a pretty basic level. So before I go ahead and start writing a bunch of code in here, I just want to write a simple trace command, which I will use to make sure that the constructor function is running properly. And this is basically what we did with Hello World. So I'm going to go here where it says commented constructor code, and I'll leave that comment there. That's fine. Return, add another line of code here. Trace, parentheses, quotation mark, constructor function is go. End quotes, end parentheses, and semicolon to finish the directive. Now, theoretically, I should be able to save this. And again, I would say over half of the problems that we've had so far in class have to do with people forgetting to save their files before they test them. So I'm going to go ahead and save, Command S, my ActionScript project. And just to make sure, even though I haven't done anything, I'm going to go ahead and save the flash file. And now I'm going to test the movie, Command Return. It'll export here. And what we should get is the output should say constructor function is go, and it does right there. So that's good. What that tells us is that our linkage is correct. We have our files are saved correctly. Everything is named properly. We have the link established here in the properties tab to the external class, and we're live, so to speak, over here with our programming. Great. So I'll close that. Go back to the ActionScript file, and then I'll go ahead and start writing some code here. But I'm going to go ahead and leave that trace function there because it's nice to get that feedback sometimes, and especially when we get into writing more complicated code.